Hi, I'm Vishmali, but you can call me Molly, and I'm your tour guide.
Choose a cage, scan the marker, and enjoy the tour with Molly and her animal friends with 7 different sticker markers located in front of every cage. A map feature is also provided to guide you throughout your journey. But wait, there's more! Discover a world of fascinating features and mind-blowing facts. Unleash your creativity with thrilling activity sheets, from coloring pages to brain-teasing puzzles. And here's the best part. Hidden within the adventure booklet are special sticker markers. Scan them with your smartphone and witness the magic of augmented reality.